You're bidding on a Perkin Elmer 19802 furnace cooling system. According to Perkin Elmer, this thing is for a THGA furnace system. It's got a over $5,000 list price on it. I don't know what year I got that catalog number, but we got some glycol water, and we hooked the hose to itself to circulate. Inside it's got a fan and a cooling system. You can see, I don't know if you saw that. You see the bubble? You can hear it in the tank. Kind of sounds like an aquarium fish tank, but yeah, there you can see that. I don't know if you see that, but you can see the water going through it. This is what it is. I don't know if you can hear the water circulating, but it is. That's it. It works. Came out of the stock crib of a pharmaceutical company. They must not use this anymore, but I'm sure maybe somebody has a use for it. Good luck bidding. How do I turn this thing off now? Which one? This one? Still recording. Which one? Yeah?